towards St. James's Palace. And here are the other guards. Ooh. And as you saw then, you saw the horses slightly freak out, but the guards got them under control. Now here are the pipes, the phenomenal bagpipe players of the Irish regiment, and behind them are the guard of Buckingham Palace walking towards St. James's Palace. What an incredible view. Amazing. And let's zoom in nice and close. Look at them, all in perfect synchronization. Amazing. And we can hear and see a police lady making sure that the path is clear towards the left. The guards cannot have anyone close towards them for safety reasons. Carrying the colour nice and high towards St. James's Palace. What a remarkable view. And if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the description below how you're enjoying the video, what you would like to see in future videos, and do consider becoming a guard, loyalty guard member, which is found in the description below, and it directly helps the King's Guards channel fan page to create more content like this. Now, the guards are entering St. James's Palace, and the bagpipes are currently playing still, just about to finish. And now the guards will march towards the right and perform their duties, which is the end of changing of the guard. So they've all been in Buckingham Palace, and now they're here at St. James's Palace. See the guards changing formation. They're going to escort the colour, which is the flag. And now they're entering St. James's Palace through the alleyway. Quick march. And now the guards are dismissed. How spectacular is that?